learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This whole month we're teaching you to invite someone. Do you want to go somewhere? 你想去嗎？
想希望。
想希望 And the answer is yes or no.
好啊。
好啊。
冇想。
冇想 I don't want to. But let's say you want to do some moon gazing, 也就是所谓的赏月。所以我们直接教大家怎么问，你想去赏月吗？
想去看日花冇？
想去看日花冇？那你的答案是？
冇想。
哎呀。
門呢太多嘞。
哦，又有理由了。Alice says no, I don't want to. 你的理由是什么？
因為賞月要晚上看啊，蚊子太多。
Oh, that's a good reason actually. The reason she doesn't want to go because usually this happens at nighttime. There's a lot of mosquitoes out. 尤其这个天气，对不对？
对。
怎么讲？蚊子太多了。
蚊呢太多嘞。
蚊呢太多嘞。OK， 蚊呢就是帮啊。
对，那海陆腔蚊子木呢？
木呢？哦，好像是飞蛾了，好大一只蚊子。That's a different dialect for mosquito. 那我可能会说，哎呀，好可惜啊。That's too bad. How do you say that?
董大宋。
就送好像你不去。董大宋，哇，就送了你不去。董大宋，其实是好可惜，对不对？
对。
It sounds like I'm very happy in Chinese, but it really means in Hakka. Oh, that's too bad. 董大宋。OK， 那或者我可能会塞纳一下啦哦。Maybe I'll just try to get Alice to go. 好啦，去啦，好嘛，去啦，这样子。
好啦，来去啦。
好啦，来去啦。OK， 好啦就好啦，来去啦，来去啦，来去啦。
我看人家撒娇有点心动。
这样子就会想要去了，对不对 ？And finally, we should teach you how to say Full Moon Fest. 中秋节到底怎么说呢？
百夜班。
百夜班。Okay, that's how you say Full Moon Fest. All right, it's time to review these vocabulary. 赏月 to gaze at the moon.
看日花。
看日花 And then it's too bad. 好可惜哦。
董大宋。
董大宋 And finally, Full Moon Fest. 中秋节。
百夜班。
百夜班 which by the way literally means halfway through the 8th month of the lunar calendar. Okay, that's when it takes place, Full Moon Fest. And also, let's review the dialogue. 你想去吗? Do you want to go?
想希望。
想希望 And the answer could be 好啊 means good, yes, let's go. Or 冇想 that means 不想 don't want to go. 我自己一手包办了耶。
好，通通你自己来。
That does for today's Practical Hakka.
是不太敢。
汉字say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.